how to fix speaker sound low issue on iPhone. So if you want to fix your speaker sound low issue on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, scroll down, go with accessibility, then choose touch, which will be under your physical and monitor. Scroll down to call audio routing, which is right here, and select the automatic so that your sound always comes through your iPhone's own speakers. Now go back and then tap on hearing devices, which will be under your hearing section. Right here you will have hearing devices under your accessibility. Tap on it and you will have an option of hearing aid compatibility, and turn off this option. You need to turn this on while you're using a hearing aid. Unless that, you need to turn this off. Next, you need to open up your settings, and then you need to just scroll down and then go with Sounds and Haptics, which is right here. Then tap on headphone safety, which will be on the bottom. Tap on headphone safety. You need to switch off reduce loud audio or noise, or raise limit to about 90 decibels to your speakers are in capped. Flip the silent or ring switch on the side towards you. Press the volume buttons to max out the ring level. Then swipe down from the top right to open up your control center, and then go with your volume slider all the way to the up. Remove your case and screen protector. Then gently clean out the bottom and top speaker grills with a soft brush or toothpick to clear any debris. Finally, restart your iPhone by holding the side button with either your volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off and then press the side button to turn it back on. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.